Hello, today I will be explaining the denaturation of a protein. I will be doing this by experimenting with just your average egg. But first, a little background on proteins. Protein, this is its general structure. It is made up of amino acids linked together by a peptide bond, which you can see right here between the carbon and this nitrogen. And a protein is a polypeptide, which means that it's multiple amino acids linked together. In denaturation, the non-covalent bonds are disrupted, and when that happens, the native conformation is also disrupted. So as you can see here, it starts out as a tightly bound helix, and then it gets transformed into a looser setting, and that's due to the amino acids unraveling. There are 6 agents that cause denaturation, and they're heat, mechanical agitation, detergents, pH change, organic compounds, and inorganic salts. Today we'll be using the agent of heat in our experiment. The protein in the egg, which is called the albumin, is in its natural state, which is a clear liquid, as you can see. After 10 minutes of boiling, the egg experienced a loss of biological activity, which in some cases is reversible, but in this case it's irreversible. The heat broke the weaker non-covalent hydrogen bonds, thus decreasing the solubility of the albumin. That's why it went from a clear liquid to a white gelatin.
The self-associated water molecules, in groups, adhere to the surface of hydrophilic regions of the protein, while hydrophobic regions of the protein dissolve into each other and provide the energy to retain the structure. As this process continues irreversibly, all of the protein molecules are recruited to this large insoluble mass in a randomly organized structural framework that contains entrapped water molecules.
Within a protein, there are 4 structures: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. In primary, there's a sequence of a chain of amino acids. In the secondary occurs when the sequence of amino acids are linked by hydrogen bonds. In the tertiary occurs when the attractions are present between alpha helixes and B-pleated sheets. And in the quaternary is a protein consisting of more than one amino acid chain. During denaturation, the tertiary structure is lost, while the primary structure remains the same. Loss of the tertiary structure correspondingly results in the loss of the original liquid shape of the egg protein.